Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix. When it comes to getting things done on our laptops, speed is everything. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants to get some work done, a slow laptop can be a major productivity killer. That's why today we're going to talk about how to boost your laptop's speed using a simple trick that's going to make a huge difference in your user experience. So, what makes our laptops slow down in the first place? Well, one of the biggest culprits is background processes. You know, those apps and services that are running in the background, sucking up your laptop's resources without you even realizing it. Another major issue is insufficient RAM. If your laptop doesn't have enough RAM, it's going to struggle to keep up with the demands you're placing on it, which can lead to slow performance and freezing. And let's not forget about disk fragmentation, which can also slow down your laptop's performance. Finally, if you're using an outdated operating system or outdated software, that can also slow down your laptop. So how do we fix these issues? The good news is that it's not as hard as you might think. In fact, the simple trick we're going to talk about today can make a huge difference in your laptop's speed without requiring you to upgrade your hardware or install a new operating system. It's all about optimizing your laptop's performance by reducing the number of background processes, freeing up disk space, and streamlining your system. So what is this simple trick? Well, it's actually incredibly easy. All you need to do is open up your task manager and start closing down any unnecessary background processes. You can also disable any startup programs that you don't need, which will help free up resources and speed up your laptop's boot time. Next, you can use the disk cleanup tool to remove any unnecessary files and free up disk space. And finally, you can use a registry cleaner to remove any unnecessary registry entries and streamline your system. So what kind of impact does this trick have on laptop performance? Well, I decided to put it to the test myself, and the results were amazing. Before I implemented the trick, my laptop was taking around 3 minutes to boot up and was running at a crawl. But after I implemented the trick, my laptop was booting up in under 30 seconds and was running faster than ever before. And the best part is, it was incredibly easy to do. By implementing this simple trick, you can significantly boost your laptop's speed and performance without breaking the bank or requiring any technical expertise. And the best part is, it's not just a quick fix, it's a long-term solution that will keep your laptop running smoothly for months to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you've got a slow laptop, give this trick a try, and let me know how it works out for you in the comments below.